welcome to our Astro Wiz channel again. Today we are going to be talking about the ToupTek StellaVita. So firstly we're going to look at the mount settings. As you can see here, you can see many more mounts and they're all from different brands. When you have chosen the mount that you want, slide the blue bar across and it will select it for you. When your mount has been synced, it will show you things like your time zone, your time, your longitude and latitude. As you can see here, there are many brands of camera on here, but one thing that I have noticed is that if you don't have your ZWO cameras plugged in, then you won't be able to see them on the list. When you have selected the camera that you're going to use, slide across the blue bar and the default settings will come up. You also do need to put in your focal length because that is not a default setting. We're using the ToupTek 533 colour camera. With the settings you can change things like the gain, exposure, gain conversion, low noise mode, calling, fan, the target temperature, which we have set as -10, heating and black level. Now we are going to look at the guiding camera. It's the same thing as the main camera. When you select your camera, slide the blue bar across. We're using the ZWO 120 mini guide camera. Afterwards, you should have a look at your focal length and change that to what you need. Same with your gain as well. You should slide the multi-star guiding bar across, and then you can have a look at the maximum settings like the RA and DEC correction. Now we are going to look at the diver settings. With the diver, you should slide the blue bar across and set your diver scale. Your diver mode should be random, and then you can have a look at the other settings. You can see here the filter wheel settings. Unfortunately we can't show you this because we don't have a filter wheel of our own, but if anyone wants to lend us a filter wheel and filters in it, then that would be great. For electric focuser, we're using the ZWO electric automatic focuser, but when you have chosen your focuser, slide the blue bar across again. Then you can see all the other settings that this brings. When you've slid the blue bar across, you can scroll down and see all the settings on there. These will be set to default, but if you want to change them, you can. Finally, we're doing miscellaneous. In there, you can see things like your power settings, your default storage and your Wi-Fi connections. The only thing I find frustrating with this ToupTek StellaVita is when you use it, you have to choose your equipment again. My name's Joshua and I'm 11 years old, and if I can use the ToupTek StellaVita, then anyone can.